Think about it. What are these? What are those? What are those? What is that shape? That's kind of a diamond shape, isn't it? Isn't that amazing? Or it's a square. Look at all those shapes. So mine over here became a little kind of a rectangle because I wasn't using my ruler and it wasn't flat on the paper. So now we're going to make our simple pop. Very easy to make. So now we will just make a round. Do you see how it's round? But what we can do is just make a rectangle first. So what we're going to do is we're going to just draw kind of a rectangle first. So here I have my long lines, and I'm going to make a curve on top of this. Do you see that? So that's almost like half of a sun. It's just half of that. And now I will make my curve on it. And don't worry about it, just make a curve, any curve. And here I made my curve. I will bring the bottom straight across. But if you notice, it's not straight. It has its curved edges. So I curve the edges. And I have, let me fix this a teeny bit. And I have my curved edges. As you can see, I just kind of made it round over here, and you can do the same thing. And you curve your edges. And you have it kind of round here. And what is that? Simple. It's another simple shape, and it's kind of a skinny rectangle for your pop, and you can make that as wide as you want or as narrow as you want. That's up to you. Try to make this a little darker so you can see it a little better. And I'm just doing a sloppy copy, so you can do a sloppy copy. And then we're going to try another one. We're going to make another ice cream cone. So what we're going to do is I'm kind of erasing this a little bit so I have more room. So we have that there, or we can change our pop around a little bit and make it a skinny one. You know how you have the fudgicles and they're like little thinner? And you can do that. You can make a fudgicle pop. And you can do that as a fudgicle. And maybe do 2 of those. Or the ice pops. You know how you get the ice pops in school and they're different flavors, blue and red and orange. You can do maybe 2 ice pops on there. And then try another cone, like that. So now, what you can do is, you can either just do a couple of them here like this, or you can make a design, and that's up to you. Maybe you'd like to make a design. So I'm going to put these ice cream cones like this. And I will put my cone like this. Maybe I'll make another one on the edge of this paper. And I will do the same thing. You can work on design. You can come up with your own concept of an ice cream cone. And your own flavors and colors and how you want to do them. And so here I have another one. So I'm working on my corners. So I'm making different designs. And here I'm going to put another one on the next corner. And you can play around with it on your paper. It doesn't have to be a straight line across. So here I'll put another one. So what's happening now? Now I'm making a different kind of pattern all around my paper. And what am I doing? I'm creating a design. So here I'm creating another one maybe on this side. And what am I making? I'm just making a triangle. Pretty easy to make a triangle. And I'm putting in another ice cream cone here. Now I have these spaces in here. So you can either work straight across like that, or you can figure out some kind of design. So maybe I want to put a pop in here. So I can put a pop in there. No, you know what? The pop doesn't fit in there. So how would I do this? Pretty tricky, isn't it? Well, maybe I can do the pop in here and put the stick right here. So let's see how that looks. And so I'm going to put a pop in here. And it doesn't work. Because why? Because this is on an angle. So it doesn't work. So what do? I think about it and I say to myself, well, what can I put in there now? Because I have these open spaces. But I think I could fit another ice cream cone in there and work a different design. So maybe, and this is up to you how you want to do it. I want you to have fun with this stuff. So maybe I'll put another ice cream cone in there. And that kind of fits, doesn't it? And maybe I'll put my pops in here. Maybe I'll put the pop on an angle. And then it'll fit better. So maybe I'll put my pop in here. And this is what I want you to do. I want you to experiment with your design. So I got a pop in here. And maybe I'll put another pop in here. So I'll put another pop in here. Now this is my sloppy copy, boys and girls. This is not my finished piece. And so I'll put in another pop in here. And look, I'm already developing a design. And then you can color them, all the colors you want, like that, and design them however you want. So once again, it's just a triangle, and you make some designs on the top. I hope you enjoy this project. It's fun to do. And please remember to put your name on the bottom of your artwork with your grade next to it. And drop it as a JPEG, please, into my art Dropbox. Because that's the only one that seems to be coming up for me. So I can put it away and put it in your folder. So once again, it was great being with you. I hope you have fun with your project. Regards to your family. And I'll see you soon. Bye.